Hey you guys, thank you so much for choosing my channel. This is Asani Beauty and I'm coming to you directly from my bathroom. Yes, I am, so stop looking around looking for dirt and roaches and all of that because I don't have any. Okay, but the purpose of this video today is skincare, you guys. I'm actually about to do a video here in a second. I was about to go ahead and wash and prep my skin, get it ready to go for some makeup. Alright, so what I wanted to do was give you 5 tips to help you achieve and maintain healthy skin. Wanted to pass this information down to you guys, letting you know what I do throughout in my lifestyle and also on a daily basis to help me maintain this clear. The first thing you want to do is drink plenty of water. Drink the water, drink the water, drink the water, drink the water. Studies show that you should drink at least 8 glasses of water per day to get rid of toxins from your skin and body. And that drinking water also helps combat certain problems such as psoriasis, eczema, and also helps combat wrinkles. So put those sugary drinks down and pick the water up, drink it up. The second thing you want to do is clean up your diet as much as possible. You are what you eat, and if you eat a lot of foods that are sugary, processed, and fried, you're going to see acne on your skin. So guess what, guys? Put the fried food down and pick the veggies up, and let's go ahead and get to it. Studies have shown that a low glycemic diet may reduce acne. Alright, and acne is a result from eating a diet that has sugars and processed grains. So if you're eating a lot of sugary foods, you're giving yourself acne. Put those things down and let's see your skin. The thing you want to do to help maintain healthy skin is you want to wash your face daily. Whether you wear makeup or not, you should still have a daily face routine that includes some type of cleanser geared towards your skin type that will help you combat any skin problems that you have. Some of the benefits of washing your face daily is it helps remove the oil and dirt and pollutants from your skin. Some of those pollutants can cause bacteria, which can build up in the dead skin cells. So washing your face daily is going to remove all those pollutants and dirt, and it's also going to give you a fresh face. Washing your face also helps depending on what you use. If you use a face washing tool, it will help remove that dead skin, and your skin products will work better because they'll be able to penetrate to the new skin cells. So definitely have a face washing. The fourth thing you want to do is keep your hair and makeup brushes clean. Okay, so we got to keep the hair clean. We are in a wig and weave era, and I'm down for it. But ladies, if you wear your hair down and if you don't keep your wig clean, washed and changed out, it is going to break you out on your face. And I remember when I used to wear braids a lot and I would wear my hair down and I would see a breakout here because guess what? I use braid spray, I use some kind of oil, I use something, and that stuff will build up and give you a breakout right here. So what you want to do is keep the hair clean. Also, if you wear makeup, wash your makeup brushes as frequent as possible. Get a brush spray, get a brush cleaner, and wash your makeup brushes out as much as you can. If you wear makeup every day, you want to do on Sunday, just sit there and wash your makeup brushes out. Or maybe twice a month, wash them out. But definitely want to have a routine for anything that touches. So that brings me to my fifth thing. Make sure that you're washing your bed linens frequent as well, especially your pillowcases. Make sure that you are throwing those pillowcases in the wash and keeping them clean, because again, this is something that your face is coming in contact with a lot and may be causing a breakout, because guess what? Your skin and your hair is coming in contact with it, and it may be causing you a breakout right here. So definitely keep your linens clean. So hey you guys, that was 5 tips to keep your skin healthy and clean, and I'm just going to run them back to you again. 1, you want to drink plenty of water. 2, you want to clean up your diet as much as possible. 3, you want to wash your face daily. 4, you want to keep your hair and makeup brushes clean. And 5, you want to wash your linens on a frequent basis. Let me know if this helps you out. If you have any other tips, any other thing that could be helpful to our followers that can help them be as beautiful as possible, please go ahead and drop them in the comments. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit like. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit subscribe. And also guys, don't forget the blog, www.asanibeauty.com. Go ahead and follow me there too. Thank you guys, and stay beautiful. Have a great day. Bye.